Hey, what's going on? Welcome to another 4-part harmony tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a basic formula for chord progression structuring. This is to allow you to write your own progressions from scratch or to simply harmonize a melody line with the right chords. I hope this video helps you, and let's just get straight into it. Okay, for the purposes of today's tutorial, I'm going to be making use of my little whiteboard. First, let us look at chord 1 followed by 4 followed by 5. 1 moves perfectly to chord 4. Which in turn also moves correctly to chord 5. Chord 5 can also follow into chord 1. So we indicate that with an arrow between the two chords. Chord 1 can follow with its secondary substitute of chord 6. Chord 4 can also move to its secondary substitute of chord 2. And chord 5 can move to the secondary substitute chord 3. Now, as it was with chord 5 to chord 1, chord 3 can also follow, or rather precede, chord 6. So in this case, we also indicate that with an arrow between the two chords. The last few rules to learn is that chord 6 can move to chord 4, and chord 2 can move to chord 5. And with that, you have a basic formula for your chord progressions. Next, let's have a look at a few of these in practice and see which combinations we can come up with. Okay, now that we've checked out a basic formula for chord progressions, let us have a look at a few examples that you can also use from this formula. So again, with my little whiteboard, the basic one, and this is one that you usually see in pop music, would be the standard 1, 4, and 5. But if we were to elaborate that and insert some secondary substitutions from our formula, we can really spice up that basic progression. So, what can we do? Follow 1 with chord 6, follow 4 with its secondary substitute chord 2, and then simply go from 5 to 1. And now, as you can see, we have a more advanced chord progression, 1, 6, 4, 2, 5, 1. If we wanted to use some more examples from the formula, we could have used the chords such as 3, and then we could get a progression that is quite common in jazz, such as the 3, 6, 2, 5, 1 progression. And of course, another very standard progression is simply the 2, 5, 1. I hope this formula has helped you. Perhaps you could leave some more examples down in the comment section from the formula that we used and see what combinations you can come up with. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and maybe that subscribe button. If you didn't, a dislike, no problem at all. As always, I've been Murray, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.